Thank you for watching. I'm here today to talk with you about my experiences with this laptop lap desk that I got on Amazon. I'm on my computer a lot. I'm self-employed, and so my computer goes everywhere with me. I sit with it in the living room. I sit with it on the couch. I sit with it in a hotel room. I always have my laptop with me. And so being able to work without having to work at my desk, that's a plus. So when this laptop lap desk came in the mail, I was super excited about it. Something that I always look for in anything that I order online is the quality of the materials and the quality of the construction. And as I go through, I like to make sure that there are no tears or rips or any seams coming apart, any holes or any threads that are out of place. And my first impression is this is built really well. So I think this is a great lap desk for anybody who works from home a lot, but you want to maybe sit in front of the TV and do it a little bit. I think it's great for students, whether they're at home or whether they're away at college. And I also think it's just fine for anybody who spends a lot of time on their laptop, but they want to do it in comfort. So let me tell you about some of the features of this laptop lap desk. First off, it has a carrying handle. I was really impressed with that because not every lap desk comes with one of them. It was certainly set up for the professional or the student in mind. It has an area here for your mouse. It's like a non-slide that gives you good traction for your mouse. This is the area, obviously, where your laptop is going to go. It has a compartment here for your phone. And if you have anything else you want to put here, like a tablet, you can put that as well. It also has a nice pad across the top, which makes it very comfortable for use. It also has substantial padding underneath. This is the pad that goes closest to you. This is the one that's farthest away. But how does it look in action? Let's find out. So if you're looking for a high-quality laptop lap desk for home, office, or school, I highly recommend that you give this a look. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for you as well.